Good evening, sir. This is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Akola. It is located on National Highway number 6. This is our main gate. We are entering through main gate towards academic block. This is our front yard. In front of school there is a statue of Savitribai Phule, the first teacher of our Mother India. So we are moving towards academic block. This is the front side of academic block. This is the porch from where we are entering into the Vidyalaya. Through this gate we are entering into a waiting room. This is aquarium. We are moving towards administrative office. So this is office, and now we move towards principal's office. This is our porch. This is principal office. We entered into a principal office. Principal sir is busy in his own work. So we are moving towards various classrooms. This is porch. This is vice principal office. Now we are moving towards a different classrooms. Nearby we have 12th class, now 11th class. Then we have 6th class, A and B, and at my right side there is a 10th A class. Now we move towards computer room. So this is Vidyalaya computer room. This is interactive board, and this is the view of computer lab. Now we are moving towards MI room. This is MI room. This is bed for 6 students. So various posters are pasted, and this is a table for staff nurse. Now we are moving towards, at my left there is a toilet room, and now we are moving towards labs. At my left you will have chemistry lab. This is the laboratory of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Akola. Now we are moving towards physics lab. At my left this is a physics lab. At my left there is a classroom. This is storeroom. Now we are moving towards biology lab. This is bio lab. This is the view of bio lab of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Akola. Now we are moving towards Samsung classroom. This is Samsung smart room. At my left we have different classrooms. This is our courtyard where assembly is conducted. So this is Hindi committee. This is a preamble of constitution. At my left there is staff room, and these are display boards where paintings are displayed. This is the library, and again we are at the waiting room. So now we are moving towards our hostel, that is boys dormitories. So this is our road towards boys dormitories. So this is beautiful view of JNV Akola. Greenery is still there. A huge trees you are viewing. Now we are moving towards boys dormitories. So this is the view of boys hostels, boys dormitories. Now we are at the Udaygiri house, Udaygiri senior house. So this is the view of Udaygiri senior house. This is the Udaygiri house. This is junior house of our Vidyalaya. It is double story building. Since there are no students, so dormitories are locked. So now we are moving towards our mess area. This is the mess of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Akola. So this is dining hall. This is boys side, and opposite my side there are that is the view of girls side. This is the view side of the girls. Different posters are there on the wall to motivate the students. Now we are entering into a kitchen area. This is distribution area, and now we are entering into a kitchen area. So this is the kitchen of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Now we move towards girls dormitories. This is the view of girls dormitory. This is senior girl side. This is our gym room, and this is our playground. This is a vast playground. This is volleyball ground. This is another volleyball ground. And this is our podium where the games and sports activities are being conducted. So now we are moving towards staff quarters. This is the view of playground for the girls. These are staff quarters. These quarters are for group Ds, and at my right TGT quarters are there. These are staff quarters of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Akola. Now we are moving towards academic block again. At my left, water tank is there to supply the water for Navodaya children. This is the view of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Akola. We are moving towards academic block. Again we reach at the front part of the school. This is front of our academic block. So this is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Akola. Thank you.